Good morning, Scots. Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Kim.
Hello, students and teachers. I'm Bram. We have some announcements for today.
First, calling all freshmen, homecoming is just around the corner. If any freshmen want to help out with planning with homecoming, make sure to visit classroom 14I during lunch.
Scots, not sure where to get the daily bulletin? Check the school website, Canvas, or stop by the athletics office. Or check in with one of your teachers.
Finally, teachers, if you have any announcements that you would like us to read during this show, make sure to let Mr. Zavala know by emailing him. Thank you.
Now it's time for a break.
Hi Scots, I'm Ms. Pedroza and I'm here to let you know that there's a new club on campus and that club is called Friday Night Live. Friday Night Live is here to offer students essential and powerful opportunities to enhance not only our school environments but also our communities, and that is to bring awareness to tobacco, alcohol, or other drugs. If you're interested, please come see me here at 3G and I can offer you more information. Thanks.
Welcome back, everyone.
Highlands Chess Club meets on Wednesdays from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in room 5C. Everyone is welcome to learn and play.
Chess tournaments are on the horizon.
Now with our sports team.
Hello Scots, it's time for sports. I'm AJ.
And I'm Ashira. We have some interviews for you guys from the volleyball team.
Let's see what they have to say about the season so far.
My name is Jillian Holcomb and I'm an outside hitter.
Hannah Naya Crony, middle blocker.
I'm Hannah Morton and I'm Highlands Libero.
All year round, I feel like it's going good. We're improving as the day goes on and we're working to become better.
I'd say it's going pretty good. We're getting better every day. We're in the gym, we're putting the work in, and we're in it for league. It started yesterday and we're here to win.
I think the friendships you make and the support you get from our coaches and from the teammates in general, it's really supportive.
I feel like the games are so fun to watch, especially like the tough ones, like the battles. And that student section, it cheers us on, and I feel like it just brings the hype to your life, and it's just a super fun experience to see.
No football game this week, but football is pre-selling breast cancer awareness shirts.
You can pay and submit your size in the finance office. Shirts will be ready for pickup in 7J the week of our breast cancer awareness game.
Don't miss out on the chance to get the official breast cancer awareness shirt. Coaches here at Highland, if you want to spotlight one of your athletes,
send an email to Mr. Zavala with the details. That's it for sports.
All right, Scots. So this right here is the finance office where you can buy your t-shirts, your sweaters, your hats, headbands, whatever. You can also pay off student debt here, but before you buy stuff, you need a ID card. Yeah, that's about it.
Thanks for that information.
Have you heard of the show called 60 Seconds here at Highland? If not, here's the trailer for season 2.
That my students learn.
French fries or onion rings?
French fries.
Come on, that's it.
The Ravens.
Coffee. Fish here and none.
Alright, let's do this.
You got this, you got this.
It'll be fine.
What superpower would you choose? Oh my gosh, I can't even think. Christmas. Who's your favorite actor?
I'm Mr. Thompson, and you're watching the Disney Channel.
Thanks for that segment.
AP students, listen up.
Here's a special report for you guys.
Hey Scots, I'm Hannah Middleton. Are you an AP student at Highland? If so, listen to this announcement. The time has come to start thinking about those tests in May. The window for payment has opened and will close on October 27th. This year, the cost is $98 or $20 for qualifying students. You can pay online at this website on the screen or at the finance office. If you have any questions, talk to your counselor or your AP teacher. That's it for me. Let's go back to the studio.
Thank you for the details.
Savannah on the go
is up next, so check out this video.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name name is Savannah Drury, and this is episode 2 on Savannah on the Go. Today we're going to be asking the students of Highland High School what their favorite lunch food is here or anywhere else. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with today?
Madison Darwish.
And what is your favorite lunch food here at Highland?
My what?
Your favorite lunch food?
I actually just eat everything my friends.
All right, next person. Okay. All right, hi, who am I speaking with today?
Lily.
Nice to meet you. What is your favorite lunch food?
My favorite lunch food has to be grilled cheese.
Fantastic. Grilled cheese? Yes. Fantastic. Yes, so good. All right, thank you for your time. Moving on to the next person. All right, hi, who am I speaking with today?
Javon Harder.
All right, and what is your favorite lunch food?
The spicy chicken.
Fantastic. Do you like to dip it in ranch or anything?
Yeah, just.
Oh, yeah, it's so good. All right. Thank you for. All right, look at this fine man right here. All right, who am I speaking with today?
My name is Lestat.
Nice to meet you. And what is your favorite lunch food?
My favorite lunch food? I'm a fan of.
All right, so moving on to the next person. Going. We're ducking. We're swerving. We're going. I'm on the run. We gotta go. The Highland population is very strange, you know. There's some unique faces among us. Hi, who am I speaking with today?
I'm Wendy.
And what is your favorite lunch food?
It's the pasta with the meat and the cheese. The one we had today.
Yeah, that stuff's pretty good.
It's really good.
Today is Tuesday for context, because this goes out Friday, so.
Oh, yeah.
Funsies. All right, thank you for your time here today. So we are in the Plaid Advocacy Center right now. Who am I speaking with?
Jennifer.
All right, and what is your favorite lunch food? You took too long. All right, who am I speaking with today?
Isaac Bell.
What's your favorite lunch food?
I like the spaghetti. No. The chicken and waffle.
Why?
Because it's delicious.
Anything else?
Nah. Thanks for having me on.
All right, thank you. Moving on. Who am I speaking with today?
Francis.
And who are you?
Isabella.
Nice to meet you. What's your favorite lunch food?
Depends.
That's hard.
Really depends.
All right, moving on. Hi, who am I speaking with today?
Corey.
Nice to meet you. What is your favorite lunch food? Moving on. Who am I speaking with today?
Riley.
Nice to meet you. What is your favorite lunch food?
Mac and cheese.
Why?
I love mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese is pretty good. All right, thank you for your time.
Remember to follow our IG page at HHS_VideoPro to see behind the scenes videos, projects, and updates around Highland. That's it for today.
And always remember to plaid up.